A warm welcome everyone. My name is Srinath. I'm doing second year of BBIS at PSG College of Arts and Science. I'm here to give a speech about public speaking, which the topic which has given to me is my dreams and aspirations, which is part of a corporate etiquette program. So, in this topic, my dreams and aspirations, I'm going to give you a small introduction about my dreams and aspirations. So, telling about my dreams, my lifetime dream is to travel the world because everyone has a separate dreams can be small or big, anything it can be. So my personal thing is, we have only one life, so during that time we have to travel the whole world. We have to explore the things, we have to explore new people, we have to explore new countries, we have to know their cultures, meet them. So I think, for me personally, that is the biggest thing because we have one small life. So we've been living on a small circle, until we go to a job. We have from the time when we are born till the time we graduate and go to a job, we have been living on a small circle, so we don't go out that much, we don't get that much of exposure. uh, for me personally, I want to explore the world. I want to know how people live in other places of the world, how people do their graduations there, how people live their life there, so how's the lifestyle there. So there's always some curiosity on me, that I want to go to those places, and explore everything. So personally, my most favorite country to visit is the United States of America. So actually, my main aspiration is to get a job at the United States of America, to go and work there. And because it is the number one country in the world in terms of in terms of many things, and everyone loves America. When you say America, everyone thinks, instead of a continent, everyone thinks United States of America. That big of a country it is. And I like to go to the country and like to meet all those people. I love the I love how Americans, they save money, uh, and then they love to do anything they want. Some people, they love to travel the world, like the way I love. When I see foreigners come to our country and they visit, and I like to speak to them. I love to meet them, and I like to know how's their life there. I always have a curiosity, to how they are able to go to all the places in the world. Then I came to know that they work for a few years and they save money, and instead of buying some unwanted luxurious things, they save the money and they like to travel the world, explore new things. So I think that's the thing that inspired me to do that also. So when I meet those people, I love to learn more about them. So my personal thing is, if I got a job at the United States, that would be a great opportunity for me to explore the country. And the currency value of the United States is very strong, like the euro, the pound. So when will I get the job at the United States, uh, I could travel the whole world with that strong of a currency. And I love to experience everywhere. That visa is so powerful. With the United States visa, you can travel to any country. So from this, for my dream, I have been working from my childhood. uh, for example, I've been watching many English movies, and mainly I love to watch English sitcoms. So through those sitcoms, uh, I like to know how their life have been happening, how the people talk, what's their body language. So I love listening to those and seeing those. So from my childhood, I've been watching a lot of sitcoms. So from those I like to uh, I had actually developed my lot of my English skills and my body language skill and my behaviors, everything that have been for that have been given to me, and that I have worked for myself. uh, for that, sitcoms has played a very big part on that. So likewise, when I see a word in the TV in English I didn't understand, I go to Google, I type it, and I learn the word. For next time onwards, I try to use that word. So when I see a similar separate body language from an American or a Japanese people, everyone's body language is different. So I like to know more about them. So I like to more about their language. So that's one of the things that my dream is to explore the whole world with the life we have. We don't know how many years we have, uh, what we're gonna do, uh, what's happening tomorrow. Everything is uncertain, we don't know. But for me, I like to think about it's a universal scale. So we are living in a small planet like Earth, but how big of a country it is, that how big of a world that is. It has so many countries and so many people's cultures in a small planet like Earth. So when I think of that scale, I'd like to, you know, travel to the world and explore the people, and I would like to know how they are living their life. So I think also going to the United States also, because that's my dream. From my childhood onwards, I have to go to the United States, or London or Canada. But personally, for me, United States is the favorite one. So my personal dream is to go to the United States, work there, save some money, and travel the world. Not only myself, I want to bring my mom, my dad, my sister, and my family. So I have to explore the world. I have to explore new things. So what I like to say to anyone who's watching this is, it's okay to have a small dream or big dream. It doesn't matter. When you have a dream for yourself, when you put some hard work on your dream, when you work for it, I'm sure one day you'll be successful in what your dreams and what your aspirations are. For me, as I told, I want to explore the world, so that I want to develop my language skills, mainly my English language skills, because it is universally acceptable and universally understandable. So I try to improve my body language, improve my behavior, how to behave with people, how to give respect to others. That's a very main thing. When you give a respect to when we give a respect to others, you know uh, they see you as a friend, and you could have a good relationship with people, and that helps you in the long term. So that's one of the main things. So that's what my dreams and aspirations are. So I'd like to everyone to have a dream and have an aspiration, but not only dream itself. Put some work on it. Spend Separate some of your time to your dreams and aspirations, and one day you will achieve your dreams and aspirations. I'm sure I'm gonna achieve my dreams. So all the best to everyone who's having a chance to pursue your dream and aspirations. And thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.